Recording this. I'm watching. Go throw some snowballs, Maddie. We have a lot of snow for us. Everybody smile. Say hi.
Hi.
No, not ready. No, Austin, don't. Yeah. Below the waist. Don't run on the concrete. No. Go. Madison, go. Lots of snow, and it's supposed to snow all night. We'll have even more tomorrow. We have a snowman over here. I'm not going out in the snow. Pretty cool. February 12th. Got snow for Valentine's Day. Alright guys, I need you to come on in and I need you to strip down in the garage.
One moment. Right in my shirt.